What's up, everyone? It's me, Adam Prime, and I'm back with more SG Raise Buckles. This is SG Raise Buckle Set 2, which includes 4 buckles this time. This is the whole set, according to the back, which obviously the first one is Chain Array, which if you have the DX set, this is a double of Chain Array. Number 2 is Claw, which also has a DX set, but the 2 exclusive ones are Kamen Rider ones, which are the, like, Fize phone. Like, I don't know if it's going to say Fize phone or if it's just, like, it's the Fize Raise Buckle, and the Xade Gamer Driver Raise Buckle. So that's cool. Yeah, and, yeah, that's pretty much all that's different about them. They have, the riders on the side. These are obviously the 2 more exciting ones of the 2 out of the set, because if you have the DX one and or you got them in the Gashapon ones, I don't know why both of these are in Gashapon and Candy Toy. Like, put Chain Array in Gashapon and then have Claw be Candy Toy, so it's like if you don't want to buy the DX one, you can buy these. But why put them in both? So you can, if you buy all 4, you could end up with 6, like 3 of each of these buckles. So if you buy a whole set of the Gashapon, you'll have 3 Chain Arrays, and if you buy all 3 sets of, you also have 3 claws. But that's pretty much it. So let's open these buckles up, and we'll see what sounds they make in the driver. And here they are, as I bump into one of them. So, yeah. This is the same exact railing number 10, as the DX one, which, again, have next to no differences. Outside of the QR code having a C, that's the difference. And I imagine it's a different QR code. But yeah, other than that, all the molding, like this, I guess I could say the Candy Toy one feels a little bit tighter, but like, that's just because I've been messing with this one more, so like, I just haven't broken it in, like, I don't know. But yeah, that's that. We'll get to that in a little bit. And the same thing for Claw. So, well, if you do want 2 Wolverine ones, you could just, like, pop your claws. But I guess that would give you 4 sets of claws, I guess. Again, same thing as Chain Array. And yeah, that's that. If I started mixing these up, could you tell which one was which, outside of, like, seeing me match my hands? Like, I don't know. It's like if you want to play a shell game and be like, oh, which one's the DX one? I guess, I don't know. Next up, let's look at Fize, which, it looks pretty good. I like how Fize turned out. Fize is one of my favorite designs for riders. I love the color scheme as well, like the nice metallic black metal, like gunmetal. Gotten all the nice detailing for the Fize phone and the Fize driver. 45. And yeah, that's Fize. You can spin it, much like any of the other Legend Rider Raise buckles. So yeah. Now let's look at Xade, which Xade, funny enough, is had the same rider as Geats, so that's kind of neat. And they actually molded like the little like Gashat little projection of like Xade, and they etched in the gamer driver, which is pretty cool. And yeah, I like Xade's color scheme. I love the bright pink, and I like how it's almost more subdued. It's like a metallic pink for this one. Very much, it gives me watermelon vibes, and like, you know, when you see generic watermelon candies. But yeah, it looks pretty good. So the drivers are already here. Let's just, okay. If you want to know the full functionality of these, go watch the DX set I did for these, which should be out after before this one. So if you want to see what these fully can do and see me mix and match them with other raised buckles, go check out that video. But I guess since I have two, so yes, if you want two death flails, you can use them at the same time. And if you want to hear it say chain array twice, your dreams have come true. So, now let's use it with... Oh god. And that's all we're gonna do with Claw. Because, again, if you want to see what they could do with other buckles, go watch the video. I show them even what they do in the Magnum Shooter 40X, which I'm not going to show off in this video, because these are just going to say Kamen Rider in the Magnum Shooter, and these, like I said, I did in the last video. So, go watch that video if you want to hear what sounds they make with the Magnum Shooter. So, let's start off with Fies. Ooh, nice red. Oh, you can't put in 555. Oh, the complete was cool. I like that. And you know what? Let's mix and match them with one of these guys. Ooh. Now let's try it with another rider buckle. I'll have what I have on standby. And let's try it with a big buckle. I'm not gonna lie, it's almost comical that it just is like complete. But it does kind of work, and I do like the Fi's like voice. I've always liked it, just the complete and like the five, like all that. Like I like the Fi's voice, so it's cool to have it in the buckle form. So let's show off our last Legend Rider buckle, the Gamer Driver one. I don't know why I don't wanna. Why not? My batteries died? Oh, there it goes. Ooh, we got a nice pink. I love that it has the opening for like when you open up the Gamer Driver to go into level 2. That I like a lot. I don't know why. It tickled me. I liked it a lot. I don't know why. That just brought me so much joy for no reason. So, let's mix it up. You know what? We'll use claw first. Now let's try it with Fi's. And oh. Shoot. Oh, wait. There we go. Now let's try it with the 01 driver. My bad. Alright, let's get to our last buckle combo, which I will now be using Ninja. I almost forgot a very important buckle. The boost buckle! I legitimately almost forgot. It didn't hit me until I was thinking. I'm like, alright, did I cover all the buckles I wanted to do? I was like, oh wait, I didn't do boost. I don't... Oh. I'm not gonna lie, I think this one honestly does work with a lot of the bigger buckles just because it ends with complete, so it's like boost, complete. And so it's like, it kind of works. I don't know why, it does kind of work. I like it. And that's all the buckle combos I'm going to cover. Overall, I do like this set. Honestly, just for the exclusive ones. If you did skip the DX claw and chain array raise buckles, this is not a bad way to do it because they're really not that different. They're going to give you the belts and sounds in the belt and the Magnum shooter. I'm not going to show them here, but these only do just say Kamen Rider and the Magnum shooter, but can you really expect all the Kamen Riders? But overall, I do like the sounds. I like the jingles for both of these a lot. I love the XA driver. It's actually another driver I do have, and I'm now glad I don't have to pull out if I want to hear at least one of its jingles. Still probably going to have to pull it out from time to time, but you never know. And I don't have the Fies driver, so I just do like having sounds for that, so I think that's pretty cool. So yeah, this is honestly a really good set. So, thank you so much for watching. Which one is your guys' favorite buckle of the set? Is there any of the upcoming Kamen Rider ones that you're excited to get your hands on? I know a Kuga one's going to be coming up soon, and a Build one. I'm excited for that. So, until whatever I do next, thank you so much for watching one last time. Bye.